Welcome to Review Lab. The best Ryobi Undercarriage Washer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any car enthusiast or homeowner looking to maintain their vehicle's pristine condition, as it allows you to easily blast away mud, grime, and road salt that accumulate underneath your car, preventing rust and corrosion while keeping your ride looking sharp and extending its lifespan with minimal effort. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Snubby Short Pressure Washer Gun. Introducing the Snubby, a revolutionary pressure washer gun designed for unparalleled control. Its compact form factor makes washing your vehicle easier and more comfortable than ever before. Tired of bulky equipment? This short-handled gun offers superior maneuverability, allowing you to effortlessly clean tight spaces and awkward angles without strain. Pair it with your favorite foam cannon to create a thick, clinging layer of foam. This helps to loosen dirt and grime, protecting your paint from scratches and swirls. Designed to work seamlessly with both gas and electric pressure washers. It connects quickly to standard fittings, ensuring a hassle-free setup for any cleaning task. Crafted with durable, high-quality materials, this tool is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use and high water pressure. It's a reliable addition to your car detailing arsenal. Experience reduced fatigue during long washing sessions. Its ergonomic, short-handle design provides enhanced control, making every wash a more pleasant experience. What we like. This one offers superior control and comfort with its short-handle design. If you're looking for a more maneuverable tool for detailed vehicle washing, especially around tight spaces, this is a great choice. It pairs perfectly with a foam cannon for that satisfying, thick suds experience. What people say. This undercarriage washer is a great addition to my pressure washer. It makes cleaning the underside of my car so much easier. The pivoting head on this attachment allows it to get into tight spots and clean effectively. It has a good spray pattern that covers a wide area, making the cleaning process faster. Number 4. MINGLE 13-foot Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner. Tired of crawling under your vehicle? Introducing a revolutionary way to clean the underside of your car, truck, or SUV. It makes cleaning road grime and oil a breeze. This powerful tool comes with 4 nozzles and 2 extension wands, including a curved one for hard-to-reach areas. It's designed to remove stubborn dirt and oil effectively. Whether you own a car, truck, SUV, or even a trailer, this undercarriage cleaner is designed to fit them all. It works with pressure washers from 1500 to 4000 psi for optimal results. Setting it up is incredibly easy with its Quick Connect system. Attach the wands and your pressure washer gun, and you're ready to clean without the hassle of getting on the ground. Achieve a superior clean for your vehicle's underbody. It handles hot or cold water and tackles everything from everyday grime to tough oil and fuel contaminants. Your package includes the 13-inch undercarriage cleaner, a straight extension wand, and a 45-degree curved wand. Everything you need for a thorough clean is right here. What we like. This undercarriage cleaner comes with 2 extension wands, including an angled one, making it easy to reach tough spots. If you need to tackle road grime and oil under cars, trucks, or SUVs without crawling, this offers a practical solution with versatile cleaning options. What people say. This undercarriage washer attachment works great for cleaning the underside of my car. It attaches easily to my pressure washer wand and covers a good area with its spray. The rotating spray nozzles effectively remove dirt and grime from the undercarriage. Number 3. 16-inch Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner and Water Broom. Tired of crawling under your vehicle? This attachment makes cleaning road dirt and oil from under trucks, SUVs, and cars effortless. It's perfect for maintaining your vehicle's underside. Beyond vehicle cleaning, it also functions as a water broom. Efficiently remove loose debris like sand and leaves from sidewalks, driveways, and decks. It's a true pressure washer surface cleaner. Switching between cleaning modes is incredibly simple. Just pull out the nut on the pivoting coupler, rotate it, and it locks automatically. No complicated steps required. Your package includes the undercarriage cleaner, a 60-degree angled wand, and 2 extension wands. All parts feature a 1/4 Quick Connect for easy assembly and use. For best results, use with a pressure washer between 2500 and 4000 psi. It requires a minimum of 1500 psi to operate effectively. Please note, it is not compatible with garden hoses or faucets directly. What we like. This attachment offers two functions in one, undercarriage cleaning and surface cleaning as a water broom. If you need a versatile tool that can handle both cleaning the underside of vehicles and quickly clearing debris from driveways or decks, this is an excellent option for its adaptability. What people say. This undercarriage washer is a great addition to my pressure washer. It attaches easily and does a fantastic job of cleaning the undercarriage of my vehicles. The rotating nozzles provide a thorough clean, getting into all the nooks and crannies. It's much more effective than trying to clean the undercarriage with a regular wand. Number 2. YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit. Introducing the YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit, engineered for superior cleaning performance. It's built with shockproof, reinforced materials for maximum durability, handling up to 4000 psi for both electric and gas power washers. This kit includes 2 extension wands, allowing you to adjust the length up to 40 inches. It's perfect for tackling a wide range of tasks, from cleaning cars and windows to roofs and sidewalks. Experience fatigue-free operation with its lightweight pull trigger and shockproof handle. The dual lance design offers further extension, letting you customize the length for any job. Crafted with quality in mind, it features solid brass fittings and an internal trigger for exceptional durability and leak resistance. This ensures reliable performance, wash after wash. With M22-14mm and M22-15mm fittings and a universal 1/4 quick connector, it seamlessly connects to most pressure washer hoses and accessories. Boost your efficiency with foam cannons, turbo nozzles, and more. We stand by our product with 7/24 customer service. If you have any questions or technical issues, please don't hesitate to reach out. Explore more accessories at the YAMATIC Power Center store. What we like. This gun and wand kit is designed for broad compatibility with various pressure washer brands thanks to its M22 fittings. If you're looking for a replacement gun and wand that offers flexible extension lengths and works with many existing hoses and accessories, this provides a reliable and adaptable solution. What people say. It is a great tool for cleaning the undercarriage of your vehicle. It is easy to use and effective at removing dirt and grime. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your vehicle. Number 1. GDHXW 16-inch Multipurpose Undercarriage and Surface Cleaner. Introducing the GDHXW 16-inch Multipurpose Undercarriage and Surface Cleaner. This versatile tool is designed to tackle dirt and debris with ease. Effortlessly clean the underside of your vehicles, removing road dirt and oil contamination. It's perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and trailers. Switch to surface cleaning mode to quickly and evenly clean sidewalks, driveways, and decks. It's ideal for removing loose debris like sand and leaves. This cleaner comes with extension wands and a 90-degree angled wand, allowing you to reach difficult areas. It also includes 5 different nozzle models for various cleaning tasks. Switching between undercarriage and surface cleaning modes is simple. Just pull out the nut, rotate the coupler, and it locks automatically. For optimal performance, ensure your pressure washer operates between 1500 to 4000 psi, with 2500 psi or higher recommended for the best results. What we like. This multipurpose tool combines undercarriage cleaning with a water broom function and includes 3 extension wands and 5 nozzles. If you appreciate having a wide array of options for different cleaning tasks, from under vehicles to large surfaces, and want maximum versatility in one package, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Ryobi Undercarriage Washer is a great addition to my pressure washer. It attaches easily and does a fantastic job cleaning the underside of my car. I was impressed with how well it cleaned the mud and grime off my vehicle's undercarriage. It saved me a lot of time and effort compared to traditional methods. The design is simple yet effective. It gets into tight spaces and removes dirt that I wouldn't have been able to reach otherwise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.